We all get nervous while giving interviews, but if we are well prepared, more successful our interview would be. Hi, I'm Snehal, I'm Pankaj's sister, and currently I'm working with a public sector bank. I had given many interviews before I started working with my current employer. And with the help of my experience today, in this video, I'll be sharing with you all 5 most commonly asked questions that are asked in almost any kind of a job interview. And at the end of the video, I'll be sharing with you all a bonus tip. So watch this video till the end. So the first most commonly asked question is, tell me something about yourself. Now with this question, the intention of the interviewer is to check your confidence, your communication skills, and the way you present yourself. Basically, for this question, you should talk about your education, your previous job experiences, if any, where you live, your qualities, etc. For example, I'm Snehal. I live in Mumbai. I have completed my graduation in so-and-so and post-graduation in so-and-so. I have an experience of working in ABC company for so-and-so number of years, and now I'm looking for a job opportunity wherein I'll get a chance to enhance my skills. And I consider myself as hardworking, honest, and sincere. Now the second most commonly asked question is, what are your strengths and weaknesses? Now when you talk about your strengths, you can try to speak about your qualities which can be useful for the job profile for which the interview is going on. For example, you can say, I think my strength is that I can work under pressure and I have a can-do attitude. I don't quit easily. When you talk about your weaknesses, don't say things like, I'm very emotional, or I get angry easily, I'm very short-tempered, or things like that. You can say, my weakness is, I'm very impatient about deadlines. I don't relax until and unless my targets are achieved. So in a way, it can be a weakness for you, but it is a strength for the company. The third most commonly asked question is, where do you see yourself in next 5 years? Here the interviewer wants to know whether you are ambitious or not, or what are your long-term career goals. So you can say, in next 5 years, I want to gain as much knowledge as possible about my job profile and would like to excel my career and climb the organizational ladder. The fourth most commonly asked question is, what are your hobbies? Now, you should have some amount of information about your hobby. If you say, my hobby is to read books, then you should be aware of the names of some of the books that you have recently read, along with the name of their authors. The fifth most commonly asked question is, what do you know about our company? Now here, the interviewer wants to know whether you are serious about this job or not, or you have just randomly come for the interview without doing proper research about the company. So you should always visit the company's website, especially their About Us page, and try to gain information regarding their awards and recognitions, their history, their products and services, etc. So these were the 5 most commonly asked questions in any kind of a job interview, along with the tips to answer them. Now comes the bonus tip. The interviewer is seeing you for the first time, and as it is rightly said, first impression is the last impression. So you should be decently dressed, you should have a smile on your face, should sit straight while talking, should maintain a good posture and keep good hand gestures, and most importantly, should maintain eye contact with the interviewer. So that's it for today, guys. If you like the video, you know the drill. Just like and share the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys.